All right, today this is what we will be covering. And I think you have done the work online. Let me
Yes.
just pull it up and see what you have done so far. I clicked on the file just now, but it wouldn't allow me to open it. Now
I
it's
got full marks.
Oh, very good. It seems like you got full marks for everything. That's fantastic.
But actually, right,
Uh-huh.
I got full marks, zero wrong, zero unattended. But the
Uh-huh.
full mark score is 25. But then I only got 24.
Huh.
Hmm.
That's weird. Let's find out what's happening. Um, by going through everything, you're supposed to get 25 upon 25.
Yeah.
Let me see how many questions there are. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Oh, there's only 24 questions online. That's weird. Did you miss one?
No.
Hmm, never mind. Let's go through and let's see whether there's any question here that after you see, you're like, hey, I didn't actually do that. Okay.
Okay.
So that's what we're doing today. We are the main thing we're going to talk about today is how to answer true false questions, and how to check for the correct facts for true false questions. And we're covering grammar MCQs, vocabulary close, open-ended comprehension as well. The important thing today is if you can explain to me why the answer is like that, right? You get points on Class Dojo, okay? But you need to be able to explain. All right.
Nice.
So let's start.
Yes.
So today's the last lesson. Please don't come next week. There's no lesson anymore. Okay.
Okay.
Lessons reopen in January next year.
Okay.
Okay. First one, grammar MCQ. Over here, you said that the answer is use. All right. And you got it correct. Can you explain why it's not used with a D behind?
Hmm. Because
If I said used with a D behind, how would that change the meaning?
oh, I think if you add a D behind, it's
Mhm.
only one person.
It's only one person.
Hmm. Or
Mm,
is it past tense? Hmm.
yes, that's the correct answer. All right. So it's not about being only person or whatever. If we add a D behind, this becomes the past tense. But we can't use the past tense because we still use our eyes to see and our nose to smell, right?
Yeah.
If we use the past tense, that would mean we no longer use our eyes to see and our nose to smell because
Ha 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 ha.
we would have used, right, in the past, but now it's no longer true. So that cannot be the case, right? Doesn't make sense. So that's why the answer must be used over here. Okay. So I can't give you the mark for that because you didn't explain it correctly, but your second try, you explained it correctly, which was good. So try again for the next one. Question 2, you said, please help me to choose a pair of good walking shoes. You chose this one, CHOOSE. Can you explain why this is the correct answer?
Oh. Because it's happening now that you need, it's happening now to like try to choose a good pair of walking shoes. So
Yes.
if you pick chose, it's wrong because it's the past tense.
Very good. That is one of the answers. And the other answer is because there's a word to in front over here, anything that happens after to, all right, that is a verb, right? Only if it's a verb, huh? If it's a verb, it's always in the present simple form. And in this case, it must be choose. Okay,
Choose.
so you got this one right. Good job. That's 2 points to you. Okay, next, you say we can use a ruler to measure this one. This is the correct answer. Oops. This is the correct answer. So this one, choose the correct answer. This is the wrong answer. Can you explain why the answer is measure?
Not that. Measure and measure.
Yes, why is the answer measure?
Hmm. First, because it's not past tense.
Okay.
Second, it's because the same for the choose and chose. Because it got 2 in front.
Very good. So the 2 in front, to measure. And plus, okay, we still use rulers to measure how long. We can still use a ruler now to measure how long a line is. This is true at all times, right? Doesn't matter if it's the past or the future. People can still use a ruler to measure how long a line is.
Yes. Yes.
Hey. Okay, so 2 points to Scott.
70.
Okay, next, you say it is easier to put babies in prams and push
What
them
prams?
over here. Push, oh, hold on. You know the ones that you put the baby in and then you can push it, the one with 4 wheels that moms always use.
Oh, that one.
Then when they push them up the bus driver has to come down and open the like the ramp for the mom to push the pram up, that kind of thing. That one. So over here, Scott, explain to me, why is the answer push and not pushed?
Hmm. Hmm. Is it because of past tense again?
Something like that. Yes, it's because of past tense, but there's also another reason. I don't know whether you can find that other reason or not.
Hmm.
It's a bit more tricky. If you can answer this correctly, you get 3 points.
Like the feeling is because of an and.
It's because of the and. Something to do with the and. Yes, you are partially correct.
Maybe because the n is same as the 2.
Maybe the and is the same as the 2. You are correct. Okay, in a way. I'm not sure whether you meant that or not, but look at this over here. First, we have 2 what? It is easier to put babies in prams, and 2 will also expand to the one over here because of the word and. To put, to push, right? To put and to push. And that's why this is
As
correct.
long as there's a 2, then it must be present tense.
Yes. Okay, but only if it's a verb, yeah? So this put over here is a verb. This push over here is also a verb. So to put and to push. So you are correct. Very good. So that is 3 points to Scott.
My goal is to get maybe about 300, but that's impossible.
Well, I'm pretty sure you can get 300 next year.
Yeah. That's why I say it's impossible now.
It's impossible now, that's right. Number 5, you said when we played tug of war, we, and you said pulled with an ED over here. Can you explain why is it pulled? How do you know it must be pulled and not pull?
Because it's when we play, so it's over already. So it's
Yes.
past tense.
Very good. Because when we played with an ED, right? When we played, we pulled with an ED as well. So everything happened in the past. Okay, so you're
Yeah.
absolutely correct. So that will be 2 points to you. Very good.
At least 200 for me.
You might get 200 today. I'm not sure.
Yeah.
It could be. We'll see.
I still got 30 more.
Okay, next. When her car got stuck in the mud, she had to pay some men to lift it out. This is the correct, this is the correct answer, lift. Now, can you explain why?
Oh, because of the 2.
Very good. Because of the 2. Okay, so 2, lift it out. Good. So that's 2 more marks to you. So this is more marks than usual because you're explaining the question, which is harder. Yeah. Normally it will not be 2 marks. Normally it's 1 mark each, but for you it's 2 marks because you're explaining. Okay. And next, vocabulary close, set 1. Okay. Use each word only once. Write its letter, example A in the blank, and then we'll see how you do over here. So, what was your? Let's have a look. What was your answer? You said, for the first one, you said F, and then you said H, and then C, and D. Okay. Now, F over here would be butterflies.
Yeah.
H over here would be
I can help you
branch.
write. I can help you write.
Okay. C over here will be rain. Never mind, I'll write it down so that it will be permanent. If you write on it and after that, when I save it, right, it will be gone. And number 10 is skateboard. Okay. For number 7, please explain why you put the word butterflies there.
Because butterflies and bees drink nectar from flowers. That's the
Good.
first clue. And
Very
the
good.
second clue, because they are both, oh yeah, they are both insects.
That's right. Good. Okay. So that's a good one. So that's 3 points for explaining it very clearly.
Nice.
You explained both. Very nice. How about number 8? Why is it brunch?
Because how can a bird wait,
How can a bird what?
if it's just a tree, how can it, if it's just a tree, that means the bird shouldn't be standing like this. It should be standing like this.
Uh-huh. Okay, good.
So how can it stand like that?
He noticed the birds chirping loudly on a tree branch. Birds can stand on a tree branch, right? So yeah, good. So you get 2 points for that. Pretty well explained. Oh, why did I give you 4? My goodness, I clicked too quickly. Sorry. I'll minus 2 from that.
Okay.
Okay, and then number 9. The answer is C, rain.